Did you know that sending your email campaigns at the right time can increase your open rates by 25%? If you're using MailChimp to target audiences in PST, which is the Pacific Standard Time Zone, then this video is for you. Stick around to learn how to set up your time zone in MailChimp for PST and discover the best times to send out emails to maximize your engagement. I'm Eric from Strategy Email, where we share the best tips and tricks for mastering your digital marketing tools. Today, we're diving into MailChimp, specifically how to set your time zone to PST and how to optimize your email sending schedule. Imagine this. You've got the perfect email campaign, but when it lands in your audience's inbox, it's the middle of the night. The result, it gets buried under a pile of emails the next time they check their inbox. To avoid this, setting the correct time zone in MailChimp is crucial. It ensures your emails reach the right audience at just the right time, increasing the chances of them being seen and then converting. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of setting up your time zone in MailChimp for PST. So here we are at the MailChimp homepage. We're going to click on the logo in the upper right-hand corner. We're going to go to Profile. Once we're here, we're going to go to Settings, and we're going to go to Details. Now that we're in the Details section, we're going to scroll down to where we see Region is all and Time Zone is whatever your time zone is. So we're going to scroll up, in my case, to look for Pacific Time. In this case, Pacific Time is LA, so I'm going to go ahead and click Pacific Standard Time for LA. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Save. And there we go. Our account is now set up for Pacific Standard Time. And now we can make sure that our emails get to our West Coast audience just at the right time. Now that your time zone's set, let's talk about the best times to send your emails. Research shows that timing has a significant impact on your email success. Here's the top time slots for sending emails in the Pacific time zone. First one is early morning from about 8 to 10. This is when a lot of people start their day and check their email as the first thing they do in the morning. Sending during this window can ensure that your email is one of the first ones that they see. The second best time is in the late morning, like from 10 to 12. People are settling into their day and making it a perfect time for your email to be noticed. The next one is the early afternoon between like 1 and 3. You never want to send an email during lunch, that's for sure. People check their emails after lunch, so this might be a great time to send out information to your customers. The last option is probably late afternoon, about 3 to 5 p.m. And the workday is winding down, people are trying to clear up their inboxes, so it might be an okay time to send it, but not as good as the earlier in the day. These times are really effective because they align with our audience, and it's when they're going to be most likely to check their emails to make sure that our email doesn't get lost in the shuffle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter where I share tips, tricks, and other email marketing strategies. Setting your time zone correctly in MailChimp is a simple but powerful way to ensure your emails reach your audience at the perfect moment. Combine this with strategic sending times, and you're well on your way to boosting your engagement and achieving your marketing goals.